For this activity, let us assume a persona. A persona will help us to understand our case study and what is required from this learning outcome. So here is Adam. He is managing a superstore and he records all his transactions into an Excel sheet. And he also records order, product, customer, shipping, and country detail of the sale transaction in the same sheet. So Adam is quite worried and wants you to help him. His regional manager Alice just called and wants the insight about store that Adam is managing. All Adam has is a worksheet that contains data of each sale transaction of his store from 2014 to 2018. And Adam don't know anything about data analysis technique and tools. And he asked for your help to drive some meaningful data from Excel sheet and build interactive report and for his regional manager, and you accepted that. So he provided us with an Excel sheet, and now just we'll look into it, that what that Excel sheet is saying to us. Now if we open that Excel sheet, so there is a row ID. The row ID is basically a sequential numbering of the transaction, and then there is order ID, that if any customer place an order in his store, the unique order ID assigned to that transaction. There is an order date, and then there is a ship date. Let us apply filter here. Then there is ship mode. Like Adam is shipping these transaction, these order to different city, so he is using some delivery method. So there are 4 type of shipping mode: first class, same day, second class, and standard class. And there's a customer ID and there's customer name. So you see there's a single customer has been assigned with a unique customer ID. So if a customer is placing an order, he is being assigned a unique customer order ID, and a customer ID. Then he also segmented his customer into 3 categories. There's a consumer level customer, there's corporate customer, and then there's home office customer. And he's shipping his goods into United States. So here is the location wise data he fulfilled, like country, city, state, postal code, and then there's a region. And he also record the product level information, like what is the product ID of the product he is selling. There you can see the name of the product and what category that product belong to and what is a subcategory. If we see into category, you see there are 3 broad categories. There's furniture, office supplies, and technology. And there's subcategory, multiple subcategory: accessory, appliance, art, blinder, bookcases, chairs, and copiers. So yeah, every subcategory is assigned to a category, and every product has some unique product ID. And there he record the sale transaction information, that what is the sale amount that he earned through that transaction, and how much quantity he sold, and what is the discount percentage he has given, and how much profit he made. So he just only contains every data of his sale transaction in a single Excel worksheet. And so basically he recorded all of his transaction in this Excel sheet, and now his regional managers want to know some analysis. What analysis that come into my mind, that he can make analysis over sales of what category is giving him the most profit, and what region he's selling the more quantity to, and what are his top 10 customer, and what are his top 10 top 10 hot selling product. So there are much more analysis we can get from this data. As we receive the data from Adam, now we'll do some analysis over it, and the learning outcome from our activity will be we will learn about importing data into Power BI and then transform the data within Power Query using mQuery. And we will use also DAX measure to build some calendar table. The calendar table basically help us to make some time intelligence DAX query and build some variance analysis. We will also do data modeling and connect our base data, the fact data that Adam has shared us, with the calendar table that we have created using DAX model, using DAX query. And then we will perform some data visualization technique and the chart formatting. Uh, we'll also create measure and calculated columns, and we'll also get to know about the difference between both both of these technique to make some aggregation function or and measure. And we also do some variance analysis. In the next video I'll show you that how to download Power BI in your laptop, because we need that tool to make these analysis.